In this video, let us understand the disadvantages of AI agents. While AI agents bring efficiency and automation, they also come with notable drawbacks that must be carefully considered. The first one is unpredictable behavior. Because AI agents attempt to mimic human-like reasoning, their decisions may sometimes be less predictable than traditional software. This can result in unexpected or even illogical actions that are difficult to anticipate. The next one is absence of human touch. Tasks requiring empathy, emotional intelligence, or social understanding remain challenging for AI. They struggle to replicate the depth of human connection and sensitivity in areas such as counseling, negotiation, or caregiving. The third one is technical limitations and errors. AI agents are not infallible. They can misinterpret ambiguous inputs, generate errors, or produce inaccurate results. Human oversight and thorough review are essential to ensure reliability. The last disadvantage is ethical and security concerns. Issues such as data privacy, algorithm bias, system vulnerabilities, and potential misuse raise serious ethical and security challenges. Robust governance, transparency, and testing protocols are necessary to mitigate these risks. AI agents carry notable limitations that can undermine their reliability. Because they are trained on existing data sets, they often replicate and sometimes intensify the biases embedded within that material. This can lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes in decision-making processes. In addition, their functioning is rooted in statistical patterns rather than genuine human reasoning. They lack judgment, intuition, and the ability to interpret subtle contextual cues. As a result, their responses may become rigid, inappropriate, or factually inaccurate, particularly when faced with complex, ambiguous, or unfamiliar scenarios. In this lesson, we saw what are the disadvantages of AI agents.